Hi there. Welcome, everyone. We're thrilled to have you join us. Dive into our world, where every visit promises new discoveries and insights. Let's explore new wine terms. In the world of wine, terms like full and full-bodied are not just poetic expressions, but keys to unlocking the very essence of your wine experience. Today we're diving into what these terms mean and how they can guide your wine selection. Full-bodied refers to a wine that is rich, robust, and packed with flavors and aromas. It's a wine that feels weighty or dense in your mouth, often due to higher alcohol content and more concentrated grape extracts. This term is typically used for wines that leave a strong impression, offering a complex and layered tasting experience. The terms full and full-bodied are predominantly used in the context of describing wines. These terms help to convey the texture, weight, and overall sensory experience of a wine when tasted. Specifically, they refer to wines that have a rich, robust flavor profile, higher alcohol content, and a dense mouth feel, making them feel more substantial on the mouth compared to lighter wines. Understanding terms like full and full-bodied helps you choose the right wine for your meal. Imagine a full-bodied wine as a luxurious velvet cloak enveloping your senses, providing warmth and depth. Full-bodied wines pair well with hearty dishes, enhancing the dining experience. Knowing this term helps you choose a wine that suits your taste preferences or complement a specific meal. Being familiar with wine terms facilitates clearer communication with sommeliers, wine cellars, and fellow enthusiasts. It helps in accurately describing what you are looking for or what you enjoy in a wine. Knowledge of wine terminology allows you to better appreciate the complexity of different wines. You'll have a deeper understanding of what makes each wine unique. With this knowledge, you can feel more confident in social settings where wine is a topic of conversation. Whether it's choosing wine at a restaurant or discussing preferences with friends. To recap, full-bodied describes a wine that is rich and dense, offering a complex taste that lingers. It's a term used to express the texture and depth of a wine, crucial for pairing with hearty meals or enjoying as a statement piece of your evening. Now that you're familiar with full and full-bodied, it's time to explore. Visit your local wine shop or use a wine app to discover full-bodied wines. Taste, compare, and let your senses guide you to your next favorite wine. Remember, the world of wine is vast and full of flavors waiting to be explored. Are you ready to talk wine like a pro? Then visit www.worldfoodwine.com to learn the best way to describe any wine. Impress your friends and level up your wine game. Cheers to your wine journey and the rich experiences full-bodied wines bring to the table. That's all for this one. Thanks.